Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather teleport 1,000 years into the past or teleport 1,000 years into the future? Would you rather be on a plane during a storm or be on a boat during a storm? Would you rather save this puppy or win $500,000? Would you rather be chased down by clowns or be chased by zombies? Would you rather always lose when playing games or subscribe to Quizzers? Would you rather bite your tongue or get stung by a wasp? Would you rather have to run all the time or have to walk slowly forever? Would you rather have rocks in your shoes or step on Legos? Would you rather have a sauna or have a jacuzzi? Would you rather destroy a species or discover a new one? Would you rather live at Disneyland or live at Hogwarts? Would you rather eat leftovers or eat spicy food? Would you rather get bitten by a dog or fall into a wasp nest? Would you rather own a football team or own a basketball team? Would you rather listen to metal for 2 hours or endure a baby crying for 2 hours? Would you rather stop this burning train or save this cat? Would you rather be a millionaire without any family or be poor but with a great family? Would you rather step in dog poop or have toilet paper stuck to your shoe? Would you rather use someone else's toothbrush or use someone else's underwear? Would you rather be gorgeous but dumb or be ugly but smart? Would you rather live in a world without color or live in a world without sound? Would you rather fall into a snake pit or be surrounded by wolves? Would you rather lose both of your arms or lose both of your legs? Would you rather have no friends or have no lover? Would you rather have a pig-like laugh or never laugh at all? Would you rather eat a spider to survive or eat earthworms to survive? Would you rather be the best player on a losing team or be the worst player on a winning team? Would you rather travel everywhere for free or eat anywhere for free? Would you rather spend 5 years in prison or spend 5 years in a coma? Would you rather collect watches or collect jewelry? Would you rather be famous but have no privacy or be unknown but live a peaceful life? Would you rather have unlimited candy or have unlimited chips? Would you rather be on this ladder or be on this ship? Would you rather live in Tokyo or live in Beijing? Would you rather be at the top of a skyscraper or be stuck in a cave? Would you rather get a Nintendo Switch or get a PlayStation? Would you rather have more time or have more money? Would you rather walk backwards forever or always walk barefoot? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.